In this video, we are going to look at what is SAP Business Data Cloud. Every company today says they want to be AI driven, but the uncomfortable truth is this. Without trustworthy data, none of it works. You can buy the best models, the fastest cloud, the smartest consultants, but if your data is scattered, duplicated, and inconsistent, your AI, your reports, and even your daily operations will all give you inconsistent answers. Data is not just an IT asset anymore, it is the operating system of the business. It decides whether a forecast is accurate, whether a supply chain reacts in time, and whether an AI agent makes a smart recommendation or a disastrous one. That is exactly the problem SAP Business Data Cloud is designed to solve, turning all your SAP and non-SAP data into a single trusted foundation so that analytics, planning, and AI can finally pull in the same direction. Now let's get into the SAP Business Data Cloud. SAP Business Data Cloud is SAP's unified data and AI platform that brings together data integration, analytics, and machine learning on top of your SAP and non-SAP data so you can run the business and your AI initiatives on one trusted foundation. It combines tools you already know like SAP DataSphere, SAP BW, SAP Analytics Cloud. SAP has also recently announced their partnership with Databricks and Snowflake. This will enable native integrations to deliver an end-to-end data stack inside the SAP ecosystem. It is a fully managed software as a service platform on SAP BTP that connects operational data from SAP ERP and other systems into a governed, semantically rich data layer for analytics and AI purposes. Now let's take a look at the various components of SAP Business Data Cloud one by one. Firstly, SAP DataSphere. SAP DataSphere is the brain of Business Data Cloud. It reaches into all your SAP and non-SAP systems, pulls the data together, and gives it business meaning instead of just table names and IDs. It's where raw transactions turn into reusable, governed data products that every analytical tool and AI agent in your company can trust. The next one is SAP Analytics Cloud. SAP Analytics Cloud is the shop window of Business Data Cloud. It's where business users actually see and play with the data. From a single browser tab, they can build dashboards, run simulations, and plan next year's numbers on top of live data from Business Data Cloud, without ever downloading a spreadsheet. The next one is SAP BW or BW for HANA. SAP BW is the veteran data warehouse that many SAP customers still rely on. And Business Data Cloud doesn't force you to throw it away. Instead, it lets you plug BW into the same cloud fabric. Then keep your proven models and gradually modernize at your own pace. The next one is SAP Databricks, or also known as Managed Databricks. SAP Databricks is where the hardcore data engineering and data science happen inside the SAP world. You can run large-scale ETL tools, notebooks, and advanced machine learning on your SAP Data Lakehouse, then push the results straight back into SAP Business Data Cloud without copying every 3 times. The next one is SAP Snowflake. The Snowflake in Business Data Cloud gives you a hyperscale data warehouse sitting right next to your SAP data products. It's ideal when you want thousands of concurrent BI queries, partner data sharing, or existing Snowflake workloads to seamlessly tap into your SAP business context. The next one is AI capabilities. Joule and the AI services in Business Data Cloud are where it starts to feel like you're talking to your data and not querying it. You ask a question in natural language, and Joule navigates the semantic layer, joins the right data products, and brings back answers, explanations, and even automation ideas grounded in your real business processes. Okay, now how can you learn more about SAP Data Cloud? You have to go to SAP Learning Hub and search for SAP Business Data Cloud. As you can see, There are plenty of courses available and they are all mostly free. Official certification exams comes at a cost though. Please check it out to learn more. I have given the link to SAP Learning Hub in the description. If this video was helpful, please share it with your friends who might find it also useful. Thank you and see you soon in the next video.